back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm really excited about this one because I love multiple styles, okay? And I want to say thank you to SamsBeauty for providing this unit. Y'all, I'm trying the Sensational Instant Up and Down. If you're not familiar with their Instant Up and Down series of units, you definitely should try them out. It's a combination of a half wig as well as an inclusion of a ponytail, a wraparound ponytail, and it gives you 4 styles that you can make. But you know, it's infinite. You could probably create even more styles if you wanted to, but they do give you 4 styles that they showcase on their advertisement of the packaging. So I'm going to be doing the review on the Instant Up and Down UD11 in the color 2. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I create here today, then make sure you continue to watch, as well as subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on my socials. They'll be here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video.
I take these journeys, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons. That's for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe and mine stop beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. These hands, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. Since you've been gone. Now I try so hard to stay medicated so I don't have to face the wrong I've done to you. I take these they make me anti-social. Tear my system, anti-social.
To speak, you're quick to change your mind, and I know
here we are. You get 4 styles that you can create. They have the half up and down, the half wig, pony wrap, and then the updo. So the updo is the only one that I did not create because I'm not really a fan of how it's looking on the model, but I feel like it might look cute if I actually would have tried to style it. But I was like, we're going to do 3, and I think 3 is good enough. So what you see right here now is I did use both pieces. I have the ponytail extension right here at the top, and then the half wig is connected like midways right here in my head. Now let's just jump into the security of the unit because I feel like that's probably going to be the most asked question or concern with this wig collection here, and it does feel pretty secure on my head. I'm not gonna say it's 100% secure, but it feels secure because I did do the adjustable band in the back, so I pulled it as tight as it could go right here in the back, so that way it would feel like it's more secure and not going to like slide off, which I really don't think it's going to slide off with me doing the adjustable strap in the back, and that's the only reason why. Other than that, the half wig does fit pretty big, y'all. Keep that in mind. If you are on the bigger headed side, you probably will wear this half wig with a lot of comfort. That's how I feel about the security so far of the unit. Ponytail wise, it's good to go. The wraparound piece adds that extra bit of security that you need to make sure it's not going to slide off. Only bobby pin I used was on the wraparound piece. You could tuck it, but I didn't feel like tucking it. I just had a bobby pin on hand and I just stuck it right here to hold that little wraparound piece in its spot. Pros of this unit, love the fact that of course we can create so many styles with it. Another pro that I absolutely love is the texture of this unit. We do have a yaki texture here with this combination series. If you are interested in this unit and you wanted something that was more on the yaki side, try out UD11. You will get your yaki texture there. Love it. Texture is amazing. No shedding, no tangling. Another pro that I like about it is the curls. They're like very, very, very loose, but they're there. So you do have, instead of it being just straight, you do have more curl to it. So really love the pattern in it. Only con that I would say about the unit is how big the half wig is. That's the only thing, but it does have the adjustable band. But when I was wearing it with just the half wig, it felt like it was really, really loose. That's the only issue I had with it. How I would rate this unit, I think I would rate it about an 8 out of 10. I like the styles that I get, so 8 out of 10 is what I would give it. There's nothing wrong with it. I do think if you are looking for something like this, you should try it out. If you're looking for something that's going to give you multiple styling options and it's super duper affordable, you should definitely try out this unit. I'll put the price right here on the screen because that's another great thing about the unit is that it's extremely affordable. So this here is 100% premium fiber is what it has on here, and it is safe up to 400 degrees. They even give you a step-by-step instruction on the back, so that way you'll know how to install the unit as well. But I pretty much think that wraps up all my feels and, you know, dipping into how I feel about it. I think that wraps it up. If you guys have any questions about it, make sure you leave it in my comment section below because I will answer it for you. And then also please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment regardless. If you don't have a question, I appreciate it. Thank you again to SamsBeauty for providing today's unit, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.